Hey guys, welcome back to Mesquites. We got a lot planned for today. We're gonna count how many leaks the garage has. Let's see here. At Mesquites, we do it right. You have leaks, I guarantee you we have more. We got one here, 2, 3, 4 here. We got a big skylight, 5 there. We'll count that as 6 because there's a lot there. And 7, 8. We do have a 9th one back here. Leaking into the parts room, but all parts are saved and spared. So, you know, gotta know where your leaks are so you can place everything appropriately. Doing it the Mesquites way. Appropriately. That's right.